Hello friends, today we would be learning about equals method, equal to and equals ignore case. Let's see what's equals method. Equals methods of string method compares the content of the object, where it compares the content, and equal to it compares the reference. Okay, it checks if the reference is pointing to the same object or not. Okay, and equals ignore case just ignores the cases, means it doesn't, if it's okay if it's uppercase or lowercase. Okay, so let's see in the program. First, let's say strings. First, see character ch of array. Okay, that's likes, likes, and we have converted it to string. Character of array is converted into string. That's s3 equal to likes. It would be likes. Okay, so let's see in the diagram how it becomes. It creates one object in the heap area, as we have shown it before. I will give it in the description if you don't know about this. Okay, what it does basically, it creates a string in the heap area. Okay, likes, likes, and let's make it s first because okay, let's see how it goes. Here it creates an object in heap area. That's why here yes, and its reference is s3. Okay, so let's give it reference s3. Okay, so let's create a string literal, that's s4 equal to likes. So s4 equal to likes, this will create a object in the SCP area, that's string constant pool. This is the heap area. The pink one is the heap area. Okay, I have shown it over here. Heap area. Pink one is the heap area, and string constant pool, that SCP is inside the heap area. That's green, light green one. Okay, so here it will be create likes, object called likes, and its reference is s4. Okay, so let's see s4. So s3 is pointing to this object, likes object, and s4 is pointing to this object in SCP area. Okay, so let's see with equals method how it works. So with equals method, s3 dot equals s4. Is that true or false? Let's see it. As we know, equals method compares the content. So using equals method, it's true. Okay, it has given the true answer. What if, as we know, equals method of string method compares the content of the object. So that's why its content is likes. Content is likes. So it's equal. Okay. Now let's compare with equals method. Okay, and we will hide this one. So equal, okay, using not equals ignores. Let's see this one first. System dot on lines using equals method. S3 equal to S4. It should be false. Let's check it out over here. Okay, we haven't. S3, it's false over here. See, S3 equal to S4. Why it's false? Because equals, it compares the reference. It checks whether the reference is pointing to the same object or not. So let's see over here. S3 is pointing to this object, likes in the heap area, and S4 is pointing to the likes in SCP area, that is string constant pool area. Okay, so that's why the references are pointing to different objects. That's why it's false. Okay, what if we create another string? The string s5 equals, just to check with the equals method. That's why I'm creating this s5. So s5 is a string literal, way. So it will check whether first the object is present or not in the string constant pool. Okay, if it's present, it will just pass the reference to it. Okay, so let's see, it's present over here in string constant pool, it's present likes. Okay, so it will just pass a reference to it, and it will have s5 as a reference, s5. So here, if you can see that S4 and S5 are pointing to the same object. The S4 and S5 references are pointing to the same objects. So it should be equal. Let's see in the program. S4 and S5. Let's see S4 and S5. Okay, let's run and see. It should be equal now. As both of them are pointing to the same object. Both of the references. This is the problem. So let's run it and see. Okay, S5 equal to S4. As both of them are pointing to the same object, so its reference, so equal to is equal. It's true. Okay, so let's see all. If we see using equals method, it's true. Using equals ignore case, it's true. Using equals, it's true. As S5, S3 and S4 has the same contents. That's why both of equals and equals ignore case is equals, and S4 and S5 have the same content. They are pointing to the same references, pointing to the same object. That's why this S5 and S4 reference are pointing to the same object. That's why they are true. Okay. If suppose this is small s, so here it will be S3 and S4. The car trying to compare S3 dot equals S4 and S3 dot equals ignore case. Just concentrate on this both. So what will happen over here? In equals method it will be false, and for equals ignore case, as it's ignoring the cases uppercase or lowercase, so it will be true. Okay, that's it for I guess that's enough thing for equals of string method. Compares the content of the object, and equals ignore case compares the content of the object without taking the cases in context. And equal it compares the reference, it checks whether the reference is pointing to the same object or not. Okay, that's it for this. If you don't know about string new keyword, how to create an object, you can just see in the description. I have given the link over there. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Just like